Hey, small business owners, especially those of you working out of your house or your truck, listen up. Picture your current setup. You've got actual filing cabinets stuffed with client sign-up sheets, all the back and forth emails and texts, invoices for parts and labor, subcontractor contracts, employee timesheets, research notes, legal papers, permits, you name it. Every day, you're wearing all the hats. You're the boss chasing new jobs on social media and your website. You're the secretary answering messages and writing proposals. You're the office clerk filing everything and running around. And you're the one trying to keep the schedule straight. Now imagine this instead. Your filing cabinets become a TrueNAS server, a super secure digital filing system that lives in your house and backs up everything automatically. Your office manager or your secretary, well, that becomes the LLM. That's a large language model. Basically a super smart digital assistant on a powerful and reliable computer. It reads your files, it writes your emails, creates invoices, researches repair problems, reminds you about permits, even chats with you on your phone. Your staff, they become AI agents, little digital helpers that do repetitive work, so you don't have to hire extra people or pay overtime. Everything connects to the computer you already work on and to your cell phone. You can pull up any client file, any invoice, or ask the LLM a question. And because it's all running right in your home, your private data, client info, banking, taxes, everything stays away from competitors, ex-partners, bill collectors, or hackers. You buy the HomeLLM machine pre-built and pre-configured by me. I install it, I load the software, and when it arrives, it's your turn to plug it in and start working with it. It connects to your network or even just your desktop. You can add the server before or after, whatever fits your budget. Stop doing every single job yourself. Stop worrying about hiring the wrong help. Get a better trained 24/7 assistant that never calls in sick and never leaves the office, because the office is now electronic and lives in your HomeLLM. If you're ready to run your home repair business smarter with way less stress, message me about your HomeLLM setup today.